Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. What's going on? Well, little advice. Don't start a plumbing project after everything closes. uh, I had a couple of faucets I need to replace in my CR bathroom. They're 9-year old, and they've served their purpose. Well, one of them was fairly simple, the one on the shower side, but the other one ended up being complicated. Now I'll tell you a little bit about it here. It's the one in my wash basin. That faucet had been dripping for a long time, but I've been meaning to replace it. I had a metal one in it, and it got to the point that I can't even get it apart to replace the O-rings in it. So the other day while I was in San Carlos, I go by DIY. I pick up a couple of cheap faucets, one for the basin, one for the faucet for the shower. And I thought I'd try a plastic one. And because my water is so terrible here, it makes those metal ones look terrible after just a short period of time. I thought I'd try it, and if it turned out to be decent, I'd replace the one in the kitchen also. Well, when I was picking these faucets up, I had a gut feeling I should go ahead and pick up the riser, the little flexible hose that connects it below. But I didn't. Yeah, you're right. Big mistake. Excuse me. And when we finally got it off and everything, it wasn't reusable. It totally corroded up. No way to use it. The nipple coming out of the wall was destroyed. It was a terrible mess. That's one thing I'm going to do in the near future is to get a shut-off to go there too. I wanted to shut off there to begin with, but it didn't get done. So I had the whole house shut down, and I didn't have a replacement line. I thought I did. I probably do somewhere. During our renovation, everything got moved around. I just can't find stuff like I used to. I try to keep all my plumbing stuff in one location, and now it's spread out. During all the course of the renovation. Anyway, with all the plumbing stuff I had on hand, I come up short because I was going to use some compressed fittings and make solid lines until it hold me over until I got a flex line. That didn't work. Then I was looking at my shower head and the flexible line on it. And I said, well, that'd be a temporary fix. And it was. Excuse me. Allergies kicking in. I thought I had that over with before I got on here. But anyway, I used my shower head line to temporarily fix it so we could have water throughout the house. And the next morning, had my neighbor go to the local hardware and pick up a new flex line. And got that taken care of. Now in the process, it's all working good now. I'm going to wait and see if the faucet holds up. If it does, I'll replace it, the one in the kitchen, with the same one, because it looks terrible too. It's functioning, it's working great, but the water has really, it just oxidizes everything. It's just terrible. The water's so hard from my well, even with filtration, and I can't afford the big filtration system. I've looked into it, and it just beyond my reach, with what I want to do. Also, I want to expand my solar, which is looks like it's going to be mandatory here soon with the increase in price and all these brownouts we're getting now. I thought we had those under control for a while, but we had 2 last night. Fortunately, I had enough battery backup to take care of everything. They went long term, but it does get your attention. But that's the way things are. You just got to have patience here. I do apologize. It's been a few days since I've been on here, but I've been busy with other projects, things I've been doing. I got some new chicks. I've got a total of 7 right now. I just turned my eggs. I should have 4 or 5 more, hopefully, here within the next few days. Then within a couple of weeks, I should have hopefully 15 or 20. Yeah, we're back at it. We decided Gracia had some calls for chicks, and we decided we'd try to expand some more. But that's where we're staying. That's where we're at. Things looking up. We got to make a little trip this morning for Virgil's school. He's got a project coming up. So everybody take care, and I'll catch you soon. Might even try to do a video on our way to Camelot. We'll see what happens. So don't forget to smile. Somebody might smile back.